Hey guys, this is Avinash here, back to you with another video. So today we're going to be looking at this Grenaro wireless microphone. I recently bought this for around 830 rupees from the Amazon. So let's see if this is actually one of the best mics under 1000 rupees. I'll leave the links in the description. So let's get going. So coming to the box itself, this is the box here. So the unboxing experience is quite simple actually. You get the mic itself, the Grenaro microphone, and that wireless transmitter. That's the receiver over here, and the box over here. This is going to be the mic itself. It comes with the bush. We'll look at it later. That's the receiver with the Type-C that goes into your phone or the laptop. Yeah, it works with both of them. And we also get some paperwork and all the stuff like that in the box aside. We also get the cable and the other stuff such as the USB cable, as well as we have to get another tip. Like aside from the bush, we also get something like the microphone tip. So that's it for the box. Let's talk about the microphone and the receiver. So coming to the mic, as you can see on the back, we have got this power button over here, and the front there are three light indicators for each modes, as we have seen. And the mic is actually pretty light, and yeah, it's made of plastic. You can't expect anything else for the price, but it's good quality it's good quality plastic. As for the receiver, it's the same. We got like two lights which indicates the connection, as well as the Type-C over. So okay, let's try connecting with my phone over here. So basically just plug in the Type-C receiver. After you plug it in, as you can see, we've got the lights on. So just have to turn on the mic over here. Just press the button, long press it, and you can see the middle light over here. Now the three lights over here, that's because it's got this 3 levels of noise cancellation. So all you've got to do is press the power button once, and just shifts the level of noise cancellation to the next one. So as you can see, let me just press it once. It blinked once, so that's level 1 noise cancellation. Press it another time. 2 blinks means that's level 2, and if you press it again, it blinks thrice. That means it's a noise cancellation level 3. Yeah. Recording with this mic is actually super easy. Just clip it to your t-shirt with this clip over here, and you don't need to install any apps or anything like that. Just insert the receiver, and it's all good to go. As you can see, it's just recording directly with my phone over here. So coming to the audio quality, I'm going to be testing out all 3 levels of noise cancellation over here with the fans and the ACs on and other background sounds. So let's see how it works. Another mention, guys, whenever the receiver isn't connected to your device, the mic's light just keeps going on and off like this. Let me hear. Yeah, it keeps going on and off like this. So only when you connect your receiver to the phone, the green lights go stable. Yeah. You can also just connect the receiver to your laptop or any other device. It works just fine. Yeah. So guys, I've connected the mic to the tab through the receiver. What you're listening to right now is at level 1 noise cancellation. Let me turn on the fan, and I'll give you a brief idea about how it sounds with the fan on. So this is with the fan turned on. I'm pretty sure you can tell the difference between both scenarios. Let me now just turn it to around level 2 noise cancellation, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell the difference. So it did blink twice. So how's the audio quality now? I can't tell, but I'm pretty sure you guys can. So this is at level 2 noise cancellation. Let's try level 3 right now. I'm pretty sure there'll be a significant increase in the quality of the audio. Just have to tap it once, and yeah, it will blink thrice. So this is at level 3 right now. Yeah, that's the audio quality, guys. Also about the battery, guys, I did try recording with the mic for around 30 minutes at max. Haven't tried it more than that. The battery did hold out pretty well. Also, you have to charge the mic as well as the receiver separately. There are separate ports for that. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for the battery. So just to summarize how well this mic works, right now it's at level 3 noise cancellation. So I'm going to be changing it to level 1. This is level 2, and that's level 3 for you. And just in case if you guys are wondering whether if you should buy a mic or not, I'll just show you the difference between how it sounds with the mic and without a mic. So right now I'm talking with this mic on, and just a sec. As you can see, I've disconnected my mic over here. This is just on the microphone on my tablet. Yeah, that's the difference. Overall, I would say this is actually a pretty decent buy for the price, around 830. That is like below 1,000 rupees. It's a good buy for content creators who just started, just like me. But if you do need the wired mic, there are other options out there that are around the 500 range. But below 1,000, if you need a wireless mic, I would suggest this one. So that's it for today's video, guys. This is Avinash signing off. Do like and subscribe if you like the content. See you guys.